Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm your host. Today I'm going to do something a little different. I have a whole bunch of these baseball cards. O-PEE-CHEE, Company Limited, Ontario, Canada. London, Ontario, whatever. Registered you. Yeah, fine. Anyway, I have these things, and they're not opened. So I thought that I might. I think I might open some up and see what's in here now. Am I going to open them all? I don't know. I just don't know. I don't even know how many there are here. And I have a special camera there so you can get a good close-up look of whatever it is I find. Now, am I expecting to find anything, like a Gretzky rookie card? No, of course not. This is baseball. It's baseball. And then, also, what is the best way to open these? Should I find some scissors? I think I might. Oh dear. I know I had the scissors here. I know I did. Oh golly. Oh dum 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 dum. See, when you pull on the pack, you might stress the cards. I know. There were scissors. I know it. Oh, I think I found them. There we go. Scissors. So this is the first pack. I slice gently across the top. And I pull out the cards. And I suppose I should also put on some glasses because, well, some of the print might be kind of small. Alright, so I'm going to move this out of the way. And, I should announce this. Mickey Morandini, Philadelphia Phillies, second base. Ooh, that's nice and straight. I gotta get better at this. Who else? Ooh, Mark Whitten from the Toronto Blue Jays. Pat Tabler from the Toronto Blue Jays. He has been broadcasting the Jays for a long time. Moises Alou from the Expos. Or Moses. Tino Martinez from the Mariners. Ron Gant from the Atlanta Braves. Rock Raines from the White Sox. Alright, that is pack number 1. So I guess what I'm going to do now is open the pack that I had there to get focused on, being very careful not to cut any cards. Oh, I see a Blue Jay. We'll hold on to that. Oh, Moises Alou, Expos. You may have seen this before. Tino Martinez. I think we've seen him before. Ron Gant. Rock Rains. Some similar names. Louis Sojo. Louis. Who's he from? The Angels. Rene Gonzalez. Blue Jays, third base. Lovely. Lovely. As always, when I get to this, I will set aside Blue Jay cards. I'm just gathering up all the bits and pieces for the recycling. Now, I suppose what I should do is snip it carefully. Everything over here, and then, as this pile is destined to get higher, it might mess with the focus. So I think I will move these, and I will put Danny Darwin in. Where's he from? I can't even tell. He's from somewhere. Bobby Thigpen. John Olerud from the Toronto Blue Jays. Roberto Alomar from the Toronto Blue Jays. Yes. Dennis Eckersley. Oh, what a battle. It's funny that Roberto and he should be in the same pack. Ricky Henderson, making note of his 939th stolen base, May 1st, 1991. Legends. Chris Hollis from the Orioles. Magical. All right. Let's open another one. There are 7 cards in each of these packs. Oh, I see another Blue Jay. I do. Let's go. Oh, Nolan Ryan from the Rangers. Vince Coleman from the Mets. These are turned over funny. Oh well. Dave Smith from the Cubs. Gary Jones from the Expos. Remember Montreal used to have a team? Albert Bell from the Indians. Oh, dear, we're sliding. Leo Gomez from the Orioles. And Devon White from your, as they say, your Toronto Blue Jays. Magical. That could go down a bit. I did put some marks on the thing to try and guide me to where things should go. Anyway, magical. Legends. All right, let's do another. Oh, I see another Blue Jay. I do. I'm gonna cheat and look. Tabler. Okay. So first, I'm gonna move these out of the way and get Doug Simons. Dave Righetti from the Giants. Tim Naehring from the Red Sox. Strange spelling that. Dave Stewart from the Athletics. So yeah, he became a legend in Toronto. Mickey Morandini from the Phillies. Mark Whitten from the Blue Jays. And Pat Tabler from the Blue Jays, designated hitter. Indeed. It's funny when I think he's wrapped up his broadcast career. But, it's funny, he pretty much looks the same. Same as he ever did. All right. Let's see what we have here. All right. Tony Gwynn from the Padres. Otis Nixon from the Braves. Oh, yeah. Another legendary player. Bob Ojeda from the Dodgers. Cecil Fielder from the Tigers. Although he was a Blue Jay at one point. Oh dear. Sliding. Robin Yount from the Brewers. Fed McGriff from the Padres. But he was another Blue Jay at one point. And Mike Boddicker from the Royals. Lovely. Well, let's see. How many more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16 more to go. Let's see. By the way, if you know much about cards, and you have anything that you can help me with on any of this, do let me know, because I just know that I like them. I don't know. See, I think this is when the card market blew up. Okay. Doc Gooden. Let's get him in there. Greg Olson. And certainly these cards would be in mighty fine shape if they've never been opened. Jeff Conine from the Royals. Doug Simons from the Mets. Oh, come on, they're nice. Dave Righetti from the Giants. Tim, oh yeah, Nahum from the Red Sox. Oh, we seem to be running short on blue. Oh, here we are. Dave Stewart again from the Athletics. But boy, he did great things for the Jays. Okay. Another pack. Always being careful. Don't cut things. Okay. Oh. Dave Winfield from the Angels. Delino DeShields from the Expos. Kevin Mitchell from the Giants. Dave Parker from the Angels. Evan Calderon from the Expos. Chris Hammond from the Reds. Move on from the Red Sox. All right. Lovely. I think I might take just a little bit of a break, and maybe I'll sort through some Blue Jays before I continue. Thanks so much for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.